So hello everybody and welcome back to another analysis video. So again in this video this is a series wherein we are going to analyze gold which what could possibly happen for the next week and how we can potentially benefit from it, right? So before starting off this week this week's analysis, if you can see, let me open my Exness. If you can see, I had taken three trades, okay, and only one trade I had updated in the group because this week was pretty much sideways. That is because of the Christmas week. I forgot to realize that this was Christmas week and the next is a New Year's week. So mostly moves cannot be uh, present there because of low liquidity. All the institutions will be partying because it's a big thing abroad, right? So all the big players will be partying for New Year's Eve, Christmas and stuff. So there is no chance of no chance சொல்ல முடியாது. The probability of a big move is pretty much less, right? So this was the first trade that we had taken, which I had updated in the group as well. 1:1, and then this was my trailing stop loss which got hit, and then this was taken on the same day. If you can see the date, this was taken on the very same day, December 23. Monday I should have traded passive, but I went aggressive and made a mistake, and this was taken on Friday. Again, my trailing stop loss was hit. My target was placed at 105 pips. It came until 100 pips and then pulled back. So this trade logic I can explain to you because it was in the last day. Hold on. So this is where I had taken the trade, okay, this point. So if you can see, what was happening is this was a breakout zone, right? This was a breakout zone. So breakout, pullback, retest, bullish candle, all buyers are here and it has been halting. So breakout, halt and retest trap, all three setups in line. So I shot it around this point, okay, with this as my stop loss. Yeah, this was my stop loss. My target was at 105 pips, right? It gave me only around 100 pips and then took a turn. I trailed at this point. It hit, took a deeper pullback, and then went for my target. So I wasn't pretty much bothered because that was still a good trade. That is, I captured around 65 pips, 68 pips. Yeah, 65 pips. So that is pretty good. Not the worst. So past is past. This week also we cannot expect much moves, but of course 1 to 2 good moves we can expect, and that was what we will look to capitalize on, right? So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the analysis. Um, so what do we see here in the 1 hour time frame? What do we see? We see a head and shoulder pattern, and where is it formed? At the resistance. So a head and shoulder pattern is a bearish pattern. Forming at the resistance implies more bearishness, and breakdown means sellers are more into the game. A retest means more sellers. A red candle means more sellers. So sellers are present with a stop loss of here and here. Okay. So you go into the foot of this seller and then analyze. You enter on this breakdown, right? Where do you keep your stop loss? You enter on this breakdown, you keep your stop loss either here or above the head, right? So market can go to hunt these stop losses and then continue its direction maybe. But I am least bothered about that. All I want to capture is this up move, right? All I want is that. Uh, so now, how do we capture it? What is happening in the market? If we can see, a breakdown, a retest, retest 1, retest 2, and then back to the resistance. If it by chance halts like this or gives a lower low and then immediately bounces back to the same zone, we can take an upside trade. So if I place the long short tool, it'll be pretty much like this, right? Targets 140 pips max. 140 pips is max, and 780 pips is minimum. 80 to 140 pips will be the target, which is around 1 is to 2.2 to 1 is to 4. So are we clear with the plan? Yes. Um, so as I said, um, it should come here, halt, and then go up. But this is our plan, and market is of course uncertain, and it can do any way it wants to. So what if it breaks here, comes back and then comes? Then again, of course, we will enter. Okay, but if it breaks, pulls back, breaks again, and then if this second breakout also fails, then it is a sure short sell, and we can sell at least from the resistance to the support, at least, right? Because that is a double breakout failure. Breakout can fail once, I mean it can trap once, but if the second time it is failing, it is a sure short failure. Am I clear? Right. So the first plan will be halt, up move. Second plan will be breakout, and if it halts here, then down move. Okay. Direction, my personal bias is to the upside, which is the first plan. But if it chooses to operate in a different way, if it comes here and halts, then downside, and if it breaks, comes here and then breaks this part again, upside. If this second breakout also fails, downside. So there are two chances of moving in either side, right? So that will be our plan for the week, or on Monday particularly, or whenever this plan is triggered, right? So that is it for the video today. Please do like and subscribe if you found it helpful, and let us all grow together. By the way, before leaving, if you wanna trade on gold, the link of Exness terminal where I trade is attached, will be given in the description. And if you want to join my Telegram for my trade updates, you can also join it. Thank you. Have a very profitable journey ahead.